AI automation is everywhere right now. You see it on YouTube, social media, and ads promising fast money. But most people never clearly explain what an AI automation business actually is. So in this video, I'll explain it in simple terms. What it is, how it works, who it's for, and what it is not. No hype. No fake income promises. Just a clear explanation. Today, businesses are overwhelmed with repetitive work. Emails that need replies, leads that need follow-ups, customer questions, data entry, reports and scheduling. These tasks don't require creativity, but they consume time and money. Small businesses often can't hire more staff. And even when they do, humans still need training, supervision, and breaks. This creates inefficiency, and inefficiency is expensive. An AI automation business helps companies replace repetitive tasks with automated systems powered by AI and software tools. Instead of doing tasks manually, businesses use workflows that run automatically, work 24 hours a day, and require minimal human effort. The goal is not to replace people. The goal is to free people from repetitive work so they can focus on growth. Here's how AI automation works in simple terms. Different tools are connected together into workflows. For example, a customer fills out a form on a website. That information goes into a system. AI analyzes the request. A personalized email is sent automatically. A follow-up is scheduled, and the business owner is notified. All of this happens without manual work. An AI automation business builds and manages these systems for clients. Let's look at real-world examples. Customer support can be handled by AI chatbots that answer common questions instantly. Sales leads can receive automatic follow-ups, so no opportunity is missed. Reports and summaries can be generated automatically instead of manually. Internal tasks like onboarding, invoicing, and scheduling can also be automated. Businesses don't pay for AI tools. They pay for results, faster responses, lower costs, and better efficiency. Now, let's be clear about what this is not. An AI automation business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not passive income without effort. And it's not about building robots or writing complex code. This is a service business. You solve real problems for real businesses using automation as the solution. So who is this model for? It's ideal for freelancers, consultants, agency owners, and beginners who are willing to learn systems and logic. You don't need to be a programmer. You need problem-solving skills and a basic understanding of tools and workflows. AI automation businesses usually make money through one-time setup fees, monthly retainers, automation packages, or subscription-based services. Clients don't care how the automation works. They care that it saves time and money. AI automation is not a short-term trend. It's becoming a standard way businesses operate. Those who understand automation will be in demand. Those who ignore it will struggle to keep up. On this channel, you'll learn how AI automation works, which tools to use, and how to build real systems step by step. If you want practical guidance without hype, subscribe and follow along.